I'm going to walk you through the scoring rubric for your Module B Unit 4 writing assignment. Log into Blackboard, and on the left, go to the Unit 4 link. When you scroll down, you'll see in red font, like all assignments, the first draft essay. You can see in the instructions it says follow the model on page 207 in your book. The first draft will be graded as a homework assignment, which means I will not be grading it for accuracy. You do need to bring a printed copy for your in-class partner exchange, which we will do next week. Download the rubric and open it in Microsoft Word. Remember, anytime you see the yellow band at the top, click Enable Editing. And now I want to walk you through the rubric step by step. You should have most of this prepared and follow this rubric as you're writing your first draft. Remember, that also means your first copy. Your first copy will not be graded according to this rubric, but your final draft will be. So here's what I'm looking for. Overall, this is a 40-point assignment. There are 8 categories worth 5 points each. 5 is excellent. 4 to 3 is strong. 2 to 1 means it needs work. And you'll have a 0 if you do not include this point on in your essay. So the first thing I'm looking for is that you finished your first draft on time for our in-class exchange. Bring a printed copy with that to your class, with you to class. You will also submit your first copy on Blackboard, and again, that will be counted as a homework assignment. The writing process, you considered your partner's feedback and made possible edits to your original essay. You'll score 5 points if you follow the model on page 207. Remember, it's important to read like a writer and to write like a reader. So look closely at that model and notice what the writer did well, and try to do that in your paper as well. You need to include at least 5 paragraphs. Format, include your name, the class, the teacher name, the assignment. Write justify, that means put that on the right side of the page and put that into single-spaced formatting. 5 more points for additional formatting. You need to include a title. Remember to follow our capitalization rules for titles. The first word and the last word need to have a capital letter. All other important words need to be capitalized. Words that are not capitalized are usually prepositions, the to on an infinitive, or articles a, an, and the, unless it's the first or last word. The title should be size 16 font and centered. The rest of your paragraph of your essay should be written in size 12, and the font is Times New Roman. Please double space this part of your essay and indent each paragraph. The length of this assignment should be no fewer than 400 words. Up to 650 words is probably ideal. I do not want more than 750 words. So you need to learn how to write within a range. Use the transition words from the handout in class. The words and phrases used to start a process, to indicate that the process is going on, and then to end the process. Please underline at least 4 of these so that I can find them easily, and then include no fewer than 2 imperatives, the commands, and also underline those. On the final draft, I will be looking at your mechanics, your spelling, punctuation, and grammar. To earn 5 points, you need to have fewer than 5 errors. You can have between 5 and 10 errors to get 4 or 3 points. If you have more than 10 errors, you'll get a 2 or 1, but if it's so many that it doesn't look like you edited your paper too many to count, then I will give 0. Again, this is a 40-point essay. The rough draft is a homework assignment. The final draft will go in as a test.